video on the 15-minute time frame. In the 15-minute time frame, we should identify a POI, point of interest. It could be both order block or breaker block. If you do not watch my videos about it, make sure you watch it before continue watching this video. Okay, so there are three identifications for a good POI in my opinion. So in the sell example in the eurojpy, the good POI need to be above the breakup structure line, below and near the key level, and after the POI is formed, you need to have like strong impulsive candle to confirm that the momentum is good. So in this eurojpy sell, as you can see, I will choose this POI or breakup block right here. Why? Because it's above the breakup structure line, below and near the key level, and after this breakup block is formed, you can see many impulsive candle to the downside, show that the momentum is really strong, of the downtrend is real strong. So I would choose this one here is my 15-minute POI. For long, you should choose a POI that below the breakup structure line, near and above the key level, and also impulsive candle after the POI is formed. So in this example, this breakup block right here is a good POI because it's below the breakup structure line, near and above the key level, and after the breakup block is formed, you can see we have many impulsive candle to the upside to confirm that the uptrend momentum is strong. So that is the example how to identify a POI in the 15-minute time frame.